believe it was a Commodore Blue car. So for the history buffs, about half of the 2316 of the machines were done in the red, white, and blue paint scheme. And according to sources, they were the first cars built. Then the rest of them were done in any of the 14 different color choices from AMC that year. This car's barn find plus condition, drivable but needs a restoration. According to the consignor, it's the original 390 in it. It's been rebuilt, obviously worked over a little bit. Comes with some spare parts, and well, you just don't find them ever.
390.
Yep.
That's what's making all that noise in there.
And with the Borg Warner T10. So let's give her a roll and
let's take her out.
The low fuel light even works.
Oh,
Wow.
Torquey.
Yes. Very torquey. But it drives really nice. Which you wouldn't think a car like this that's really just a flat out muscle car would drive as well as this does. Holy. This car is awesome.
What year is this?
It's in 1970. It was the only year for the machine. For 71, AMC put their racing efforts and muscle efforts into the SC360 Hornet. But this thing is a lot of fun.
How many did they make? The machine.
The machine.
Let me get the little.
I've seen numbers 2316 and 2318.
Wow.
So it's rare. And it's a perfect piece of AMC muscle.
You'd be the only one at the show.
Yes.
For sure. Very cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome. That's great.